In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task template in ClickUp. This is a great skill to have as it enables you to streamline your workflow by using templates for tasks that you repeat regularly, saving both time and effort. We'll go through the process together step by step, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to create task templates with ease. To start, open ClickUp and navigate to the task you want to use as the basis for your template. It's important to select a task that reflects the activities you perform frequently, as this will make your template more effective and useful. Once you've opened the task, take a moment to review its details, ensuring everything is set exactly how you'd like it to be saved as a template. Next, focus your attention on the right corner of the task view. You'll see a three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options icon. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu, which reveals several additional features available for you to use. Among these features, you'll find the Templates option. Selecting it will prompt even more specific actions related to templates. Now, a small window dedicated to templates will appear. Here, you'll click on Save as Template. This is a pivotal move because you're telling ClickUp that the current task setup is what you'd like to save for future reuse. It might help to think of this as creating a blueprint for your frequently executed tasks, allowing you to bypass repetitive task setup each time you have a similar project. Once you've opted to save it as a template, you'll need to give it a name. Choosing an effective name is crucial because it helps you easily identify and distinguish between different templates. You might want to consider naming it based on the task type or include details about the content it covers. Keep the name concise and descriptive for optimal organization and clarity. After naming your template, the final step is to hit Save Template. By doing this, you are officially creating your save template, making it readily accessible for when you need it again in the future. ClickUp will now store your template in its system, allowing you to implement it whenever needed. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating a task template in ClickUp. With your template set up, you can fast track your task management, reduce redundancy, and enhance your productivity. Remember, the key to effective templates is regular updates and reviews to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. Thanks for watching today's guide, and enjoy simplifying your workflow with ClickUp.